Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to Religion. Today we are back here on a brand new drone flight. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna take off. Oops, we're in an authorization zone. I don't understand. I checked, there is a no-fly zone, and I don't understand why there's a no-fly zone here. I've come all the way out here to Crystal Palace Park, but unfortunately I can't take off here. I don't know why. Maybe I have to go a little bit further ahead. I'll check properly, but I'll take off again in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this recording now. Alright, so after walking far enough away, I checked on the map and there's a stadium nearby, and I think that's why there was a no-fly zone in that area. So I walked a little bit further away and it seems to work here. So I walked a bit far. So we're still in the park. What we're going to do, we're going to take off without further ado. So yeah. It's a little bit windy. I'm wearing the windsock on my mic right now. The drone's fighting the wind a little bit. It was sunny when I came here and it just got cloudy, unfortunately. So yeah, I go to the max height. Oh, the sun's come out a little bit. Where this is big tower, Crystal Palace transmitting tower. I'm gonna take a photo of that as well. I'm gonna do a visiting photo. Look at that nice shot. I'm gonna go to the full height and then I'm gonna do a 360 photo. Alright, 360 photo complete. We're now just gonna zip around. Just turn around here, just a quick turn around, and now fly in normal mode. Let's go towards this tower. So I'm at the max height of this drone that I'm allowed to go, and somehow this tower is bigger than that. So this tower is much taller. So we're gonna orbit this tower. We're gonna go around it. So I can only go 400 feet. In most places you can only go 400 feet anyway. Just gonna go around the tower. Gonna get a nice shot. And you can hear a faint sound of some music. We're gonna see what that is. Hopefully it's not that loud that it won't cause me to have a copyright on my video. So you can see there's a concert happening right there. Just gonna go around the tower. And I go around the tower. Went a bit too fast there. There's an accident because I want to get a smooth shot, but then, you know, you can accidentally when you do it manually. I can do it automatically, but then I can only do it in 30 FPS. So we're just gonna go a little bit close to it. We're not gonna go that close to it. Just get to explore. We're gonna see what's up there. Let's look up. So the sun's come out again now. Look at that. That is tall. Let's see what it looks like straight down. Oh, can we look down? There we go, look. That is a big structure. There's a big transmitting tower. I could see that from my side of London. Alright, so just get a nice shot over here. Let's explore this area down here. So you can see the concert happening here. Let's get a closer shot of it. Just gonna go around. Okay, the NFZ is right there, so I can't go ahead in this area. What I can do, I can go here. That was a loud thud. We'll walk a little bit away from the sound because I don't want to get copyright from the song. Just get a nice shot of this area. Just get a nice shot of these cars going that way. Okay, the NFZ starts here, I think. If I go anywhere further, I wonder how good this mic is of picking up bass. I'm using a newer lav mic. That is loud. Just gonna get a long shot going this way. There's another transmitting tower down there. I don't know what's taller, this one or the other one. No fly zone literally in that area, so I can't even fly that direction. Oh, there's a strong wind, really strong. Got to stop. Let's go this way again. Let's get a low down shot of this little area down here. Oh, there's an NFZ. Gotta exit the NFZ. See, literally, if I go in a straight line to where I'm coming, I enter NFZ. So I have to avoid that. Oh, it's a strong wind. I think it's a strong wind. Yeah, it's definitely a strong wind because I've exited the NFZ. Actually, no, it's flying fast now. It was the NFZ. I thought the NFZ exited a long time ago, but it didn't. Gonna get a nice shot here. That is some loud bass. Some strong wind. Even the drone's struggling. Anyway, I'm just going to land it right here now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next flight.